Okay, let's try it with the camera. So let's plug the camera into the back of the controller here. Let's just first see if this if the camera even works. So we're gonna go project, add camera device. Cool. Okay, so here's our IP address, here's our resolution. Click start. Look at that! Woohoo! Yeah, it's working. Okay, that's great. Look at that. It's a good frame rate too. That's great. Let's try. Let's see if he'll do some tracking. Let's try some multicolor tracking here and see how slow it gets. Oh, look at the frame rate dropped right down. Oh wow, that frame rate. You see that? So it's not super quick to do object recognition, but I mean, come on, this is a Raspberry Pi, right? We're only getting about 7 frames a second, it says here. That's still pretty good. Let's try editing multicolor. Look at that. Let's bring it to the color of my skin. Yeah, that works pretty good. Here's me. Hello. I am red. So let's try, yeah, look at that. It's tracking me. No problem. Huh. That's cool. I'm pretty impressed. This little Raspberry Pi. And you know what? You guys can't see this. Let me move this out of the window, out of the way here. So you can see, there you go. This is the percentage of CPU being used. Interesting, it's only using around 23, 26%. I wonder if there might be a way to tell the Raspberry Pi, tell the operating system it wants more CPU juices, but There's also in the command shell, there's something called top. This is like an old Unix command. In here, it's a program. Okay, here we go. You could see here that the calculation that we're seeing in the graphic interface, it said 20-something% of CPU usage, is incorrect. I think it's 27%, maybe across multiple cores. This might have multiple cores in it. I don't know if it says that up here someplace. I don't see where it says that, but this is definitely using a lot of CPU on one of the cores. So if if we exit this and then go into CPU cd/proc, there is a file in here called CPU info, and thanks, Perry. Yeah, it's looking really good, eh? So we could see how many, this CPU info will tell you how many cores there are inside of, how many logical processors, not physical processors are. So it says 1, 2, this is number 3, this is number 4. Yeah, so there's four cores on the B+. And it's using 80-90% on one core, which makes sense that the graphic interface was telling us it's around 28-30% CPU usage in total, right? So we're using a ton of CPU, you can see, on one core. Even though it is running multi-threaded, I guess mono must not run across multi-cores. I don't know if that's what kind of restriction that is. It might be something I'll have to look into later and see if there's a some sort of property you can pass into Mono to get your application to run multicore. So that would be why this is running at the speed. Face. I think face detection is going to work. Oh yeah, it slowed down again. We're getting around the same 5 to 7. Yeah, it's detecting my face. Cool. Let's see. Cognitive face. Oh, wow. Hold on. Look at this. Cognitive face. So, will that work? Let's find out. Detect. There it is. It thinks I'm 49, but hey, whatever. Okay, that's awesome. So that plugin is working. And what else? What about vision? Vision. This one here. Cognitive vision. There it is there. So what is it going to describe in this image? Like the back of a robot and a bunch of shelves? It's going to be weird. Let's see what it says. A close-up of an office. Wow, impressive. How about me? Let's see me. Oops. A man smiling for the camera. Barely smiling. And a person in a room. Wow, it sees the robot and thinks it's a person. It's great.